Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be teaching you how you can earn Dogecoin on this platform called Freecash. Now, Freecash actually does have its own application and website, guys, so if you want to use it from your mobile phone, you can. But jumping straight into Freecash here, guys, this is the homepage, and this is the way you'll be earning your cryptocurrency, and in the case of today's video, Dogecoin. So if you scroll down a bit here, you'll see the offer walls. Now, the offer walls will give you rewards, aka coins, which is the currency of Freecash, and then you can turn those coins into real life money or cryptocurrency. Scrolling below that, you'll see the survey option here. This will allow you to complete surveys in exchange for coins. Let me show you the cash out page of Freecash, guys, so you can just get an understanding of how many options there are. Look at all these options that Freecash allows you to actually withdraw to. Now, I'll be testing the Dogecoin method on today's video, but I have already tested the PayPal method on Freecash. So if you're interested in that, you can find it on my channel. And by the way, please remember to hit like and subscribe. Be sure to check out my other money making videos and be sure to join my free newsletter. Links in the description below. Now, to put it into some sort of perspective here, Freecash runs on a Coinbase system. You can generate coins by completing offers, playing games, and completing surveys on their platform. Now, let's just go and check out one of the survey providers here called BitLabs. So on the screen right now, you can see a list of surveys that BitLabs is allowing us to complete to earn coins. 1,000 coins, at least here in Australia, equals $1 USD. So this 7-minute survey right here will reward me with $1.30 just for completing it, and it will only take me 7 minutes. And as you can see, we have a whole bunch of these surveys that we're allowed to complete. Now, the only problem that I find with surveys, guys, is that you're gonna get disqualified a ton, and that's the risk you take when completing surveys. I easily get disqualified over 10 times while completing surveys each time I complete one of these videos. So depending on where you live, your gender and your age, your disqualifications might be either more or less than mine. Freecash also has its own survey system where you can guarantee yourself either 50 cents for completing fast surveys or $1 for completing normal surveys. Now let's see how much coins you can earn by completing offers on Freecash. I'm going to show you Offer Toro right now. So as you can see, the first offer we have is to download and play Axe Champ. And the only way we're apparently going to earn 2,642 coins is if we play the game until you unlock all the coins' skins. So that's obviously some sort of requirement in the game itself. If I join eToro through Freecash, they will reward me with $130 of currency. But you do have to deposit at least $200 into eToro. See, guys, there's always a catch to offers, but that's the point of them. Now, checking out another offer provider called AdGem. Look at this. They have a slot machine app called Pop Slots. If I get to level 34, they will reward me with $22 real life money. But now I want to show you exactly how to actually withdraw your coins into Dogecoin currency. Once you have at least 1,500 coins, head over to the Dogecoin withdrawal section. Now that you're here, you'll see here that it does say crypto withdrawals are sent instantly for verified members. New members will need to wait for a staff member to approve their withdrawal. So what that means is essentially the more you use Freecash, eventually you'll get verified by a staff member. The top area here where it says enter your address, this is where you're actually entering your Dogecoin wallet. Now, as you can see, there are two different destination addresses you can choose from. You have the Dogecoin address, and then you have the Coinbase address. Now, if you have a Coinbase account, it seems that you have no fees whatsoever, because if you notice at the bottom of the screen, there is a fee section. If you cash out with the standard Dogecoin address, you will get charged a 160 coin fee, which in reality is really not that much at all. But if you sign up with Coinbase and create a wallet there, you will actually get charged no fee, apparently, according to Freecash. And all you need to do is enter your Coinbase email address. You will need a minimum of 100 coins though, which is 10 cents. Whereas if you're using a standard Dogecoin wallet, which is not Coinbase related, you need to have a minimum of $1.50. But what you're seeing on the screen right now is my first withdrawal to my Dogecoin wallet on Coinbase, with the coins I earned through referring people to use Freecash, and that arrived roughly within 1 hour of actually asking for that to be cashed out. Now for the second withdrawal though, I did that all on my own by completing surveys, and I roughly generated about $8.50 worth of Dogecoin in about an hour or so of completing surveys non-stop. You see, that's the benefit of Freecash. They have such high paying surveys. And just like my first cash out, that arrived at my Coinbase account within the hour. So that is how simple it is to actually cash out on Freecash to your crypto wallet, at least for Dogecoin. Catch you around, everyone.